Hey, and welcome to
Constant movement.
Hi, and welcome to Constant Movement. This is Rich and Mate, and we are today
In what garden?
so we're in Suzhou for 3 days, and we are going to look around some of what we think is the best things to do in Suzhou. So we're going to look at the humble administrator's garden, which is where we are now, and then we're going to go to the Suzhou Museum, which is designed by the guy who did the Louvre, and then we're going to go to Lion something garden. So we'll show you the best bits to do, the most famous bits, and then we're going to have a look around some of the other more local streets in Suzhou. So
Watch for us.
speak up, love, speak up.
Watch us in the coming days as we explore Zhuōzhèng, the best drink in Korea.
You got PR designer? Okay, so further down. Next one.
Group passage, special passage, comprehensive
I think we're at the entrance now. So we'll just wait for the group. Here we are. Alright, we're just trying to get in.
没有，它2362，哦，938，2362，938，980。
Alright, waiting for the tickets.
要开我的。那好吗？
Can you imagine if we were following each other?
雨都挺大的。
Nice and hot. Kind of wish I hadn't worn jeans.
Not even hot. The trees shaded it.
Alright, we are in the humble administrator's garden, and you can see it's pretty busy with people everywhere. So we've taken the students here and basically just set them free.
We got the same camera. What's under there?
Like a design, circular.
I'm recording you now. What are they doing, Ma? Same camera. What's under there?
Did you see the design? Like that.
What?
Like this one. It's the reflection.
Ah, okay.
The reflection up. You have to have the camera face.
Okay.
Use your phone.
Drop the phone. think
咱们
so.
没有吃。
The reflection up. You have to have the camera face to it.
Okay. Drop the phone.
It's not working.
It has to be the center. Let's have a photo here. One photo. Jared, let's have a photo. I'm so small.
Do I need photo? How do I do photo?
I don't know. Let's use the phone.
None of those.
Like one photo in this pagoda. Harsh rain at night.
You can't see.
They can.
Look at this.
So cool.
Look at this.
Where, what am I looking? What am I looking?
Go on, go on. The sky comes falling down. Be careful, huh? Ma, you should go in the water more.
You.
Oh, thanks. Me.
You in the water. Me here.
They had this since before.
Hmm?
They never touched anything.
When they...
Like to make it more interesting, you think about how they lived before.
Oh, yeah,
There's
yeah.
no way out. You just keep going round and round. It's a world scene.
Don't worry about it, love. Just enjoy being here. 80 RMB to get in here. Let's go over through that round window over there. No. Ooh. Sorry, need a drill.
I'm gonna send you a picture. Yeah.
Oh, picture. Wait, let me just get out of the way.
No, look, there's people.
The brighter this would be better. 1, 2. What?
You have a gold with you.
What?
Look, those people, they don't look, they're not shining, but she's like gold blue. But look at them, they're like,
Golden steel.
You want here with the water lily?
Ma, you had a picture here already.
I already have.
Can we go there?
So let's go.
Can we go up there?
Yes. Let's go up there.
I'll wait.
Let me think.
You wanna go up there? We'll take photo of you from here.
What?
We'll take a photo from you from here. You wanna go up there?
I'm good. But let's just go up there.
I want to get their drink, you know, they're having so nice drink. Coffee.
Iced coffee would be nice. Iced latte.
Where's the iced coffee? Maybe
Dunno.
there, inside?
No.
I don't wanna cry. One, two, three, four. It's you and me moving at the speed of light into eternity. Tonight is the night. Join me in the mirror of ecstasy. Hear the melody.
Yes, I agree. We're gonna go in another prisoner. Cannot
I
get
think
out.
they're all. Where you find it is forever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever. Beautiful lady. It's like I'll wait for this one night. It's gonna meet you in the dance floor. But you only got one night. It dance forever. This looks. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. He's there.
Yeah.
Let it go. Oh, oh, oh. Bob in a mill, fries, just a little.
来，小朋友，来出来了，过来了啊！来，过来了。
That traffic will stop soon.
Trying to get a selfie, trying to get a picture in here.
3, 2,
With the
3,
3.
2, 1.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
There you go.
It's okay.
Done it. We did it.
这你这上面等会儿再出去再开。
No, this was owned before. What do you mean? Then how did they like? How can people?
What is it?
Lucha. They conduct their tea party there for 10 people.
I feel like people are just running through, not actually absorbing. Got any history of the place on the share?
Do you know?
Tea party.
No
Tea
idea.
Party for 10 people.
You know what? You know what I'm thinking? I'm like reminiscing, like I'm the emperor.
Oh, yeah.
Eh?
No,
You don't like the dress? So I would give you a description of this as I walk around if I knew what I was looking at. So I'll try and find out a little bit. Maybe I'll do, if I can be bothered, a voiceover afterwards to give you a bit more info about this place. Anyway, it's rather beautiful. Nice, interesting place to go look around. So keep enjoying